Good afternoon, students. It's part 10, chapter 1, class 9th, science. If you skip any part, then go for school group for watch my previous videos. And now you can follow us on YouTube. There is a channel created by MPSM. So if any video is skipped, you can see them by both of the ways. Now, let's start. Question number 1. Convert the following temperatures to the Celsius scale. I have told you very well in my videos that how can you change the Kelvin temperature into Celsius. And next question is just similar to it. Here is the temperature in degree Celsius and you have to change it into Kelvin. So both questions you can do easily by watching that. Next question. Question number 3. Naphthalene walls disappear with time without leaving solid. Naphthalene balls disappear means here the phenomena which is work is sublimation. I have told you how the solids directly convert into the vapors without coming in the liquid state. This phenomena works here. By this naphthalene ball disappear. Okay. Next question. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. How get we smell of perfume? Because by the nature of the gases. That gases molecules have larger space between them and have lot of kinetic energy. Okay. There is a force of attraction is about to nil. So it is spread easily and we can easily smell perfume by sitting several meters away. Come to the next query, that is question number 4. Arrange the following substance in increased order of forces of attraction between the particles. You have to arrange them on the behalf of force of attraction. I have told you means force of attraction. Which particle have force of attraction more? Solid particles. Okay. And less than solids, liquid particles, and minimize in the oxygen particle. So you have to arrange them in their increasing order, not decreasing. Okay. Increasing order. So least किस में होगा? Oxygen as a gas. Then water as a liquid and sugar as a solid. Okay. Next question number 5. What is the physical state of water? What is the physical state of water? You have to told the physical state of water on above temperatures. First one is 25 degrees Celsius. We know this. It's a liquid state. Second, 0 degrees Celsius. We know that on 0 degrees Celsius water start freezing. So it may be solid state of water or maybe liquid state on the behalf of situation. I told you about the latent heat. So this phenomena work here. So at the equilibrium it may be on liquid state or maybe on solid state. Same as on the this 100 degrees Celsius. Water may be stream at this temperature or maybe water. Okay, depends on situation. And in both of them, we use the phenomenon of latent heat. Okay. Next come. Give 2 reasons to justify. आपको 2 reasons देने हैं, any 2 for justify both these. First one, water at room temperature is a liquid. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Water room temperature पर क्या है? Liquid है. Why? Gives 2 reasons. First reason, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So it can't be found as on the vapor state. Second point, its solidify or freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. So it can't be found as on the solid state. Room temperature, it is about to 37 degree Celsius. Okay, it is about to 37 degree Celsius. So we can found water on its liquid state only. Second, an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. Iron almirah solid है room temperature पे. Why? You have to give the two reasons. First one, solid has definite volume and definite shape. Clear? It shows the property of solid, and solid property is that it has a definite volume and definite shape. Second, force of attraction between the molecules is very high. So we found it on solid state. Thank you. Let's continue our more questions in next video.